Hello. Oh, today I wanted to talk about a concept device that allow humans to travel throughout time, and that's the subject. And that's the subject basically. A device that allow humans to travel throughout time. But before I speak about the device itself and how it will work, how the concept will work, I have to explain how how to beat gravity, because to allow humans to travel throughout time, we human need to beat gravity, the gravity force. And I have to explain this because as human being progressed in exploring, other planets and space, the human discovered that the planets that surrounded him does not have a gravity force. But as data was provided from previous mission exploration of other planets, we also saw common things in the data provided to us. And the common thing was an image, black and white image. And that's the common thing in all the data provided to human beings. And as a researcher or a wanderer, whatever you want to call it, I went and studied the dog's view. And throughout that research, I realized that the reason that dogs have a strong sense of feel, future and past, it is because the way they see things, and it is because basically they are Daltonian, they dichromatic, not like us. And that's basically, dogs can travel throughout time. And I thought of a similar concept of a device that get rid of the attraction of eyes. The attraction of eyes of human being, where glasses are designed to get rid of the colors. I mean, special glasses that, disable the cones in eyes that provide us with color, basically. And it's a similar concept. It's a similar concept of, that people with a black hat and black glasses, basically similar concept. And by disabling the ability of humans to see colors, or by disabling the cones, the cones that provide the colors, I realized that humans could travel throughout past and future by eliminating the attraction in the eyes and let the first brain, which are the eyes, and let the first brain in general, allow, observation, because the eyes is the first brain that, have the ability to see and provide data that can be seen. And the organ responsible for vision is the eye, basically. So like I said, I thought of the concept glasses that can eliminate the attraction by eliminating the ability to see colors, basically. And the device will be glasses classes that, like I said, are able to human vision, you know, change human vision from, how do you call it, trichromatic vision to dichromatic vision, which is a you know, which is a Daltonian vision, and to get rid of the attraction or gravity force, enable human to travel throughout time, and that's basically the aim. But this concept is, you know, this concept is at its first stage, basically, where it's just an idea that could be taken to the next level, basically. But the problem is the lack of knowledge, you know, the lack of knowledge of science of the eye. That is why, you know, I need help from expert ophthalmologists that, you know the science of eyes, to help this concept see life, basically. And human will have the opportunity with this concept, if realized, to travel throughout time, throughout a glasses device. And basically, the video is getting long. That's it, I think. I went through everything in general, basically. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and attending. And you have a nice day and a good weekend. And see you in another subject. Cheers. Bye.